Come on. Let's go, boy.
Oh, he's got the moves. Holy crap, what is that?
I'm going to check that out.
What was that in the woods? Come on, let's go.
Stay here, I'll go check it out. I'll tell you if I see anything.
Oh my god! It's Nature Boy! It's Nature Boy! He's hungry for fresh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Not me, not the camera guy. No! No! He's infected.
There's a zombie. Let's go.
He's infected. He's infected him. No, no. Fresh meat.
He's a zombie.
Oh, my boob. Retreat! Retreat into the woods. The day I turned into a zombie.